Summer's around the corner and you know what that means. Road trip season. But before you hit the highway, let's make sure your ride is ready to handle the heat. Hey there, summer drivers. Brian here. Today I'm breaking down the 7 essential checks that could save you from being stranded on the side of the road with melting ice cream and cranky passengers. This isn't just regular maintenance, it's your summer survival guide. Let's dive in. Item number 1. Fluid levels. First up, fluids are your car's lifeblood, especially in summer heat. Pop that hood and check all 6 essential fluids: engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, transmission fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Low coolant in summer? Recipe for overheating. Low oil? Engine damage waiting to happen. In summer temperatures, fluids work harder and evaporate faster, so check them before long trips and top off as needed. Remember, consistently low fluids might indicate leaks that need professional attention. Item number 2. Battery health. Summer heat is actually tougher on your battery than winter cold. Heat accelerates corrosion and can evaporate battery fluid, leading to sudden failures. Check those terminals for corrosion. Any white, blue, or green crusty stuff needs cleaning with a wire brush. Make sure connections are tight. If your battery is over 3 years old or your starter sounds sluggish, have it tested before your trip. Nothing ruins a vacation faster than a dead battery in a rest stop parking lot. Item number 3. Tire condition and pressure. Your tires are literally where the rubber meets the road. In summer heat, underinflated tires are more likely to blow out due to increased friction. So, you want to check your tire pressure when they're cold, not after driving. Use the pressure in your car's manual or on the driver's door jamb, not the number on the sidewall. While you're at it, take a look at the tread depth and look for any bulges, cracks, or uneven wear patterns. And don't forget to check your spare. Item number 4. Cooling system. Your cooling system prevents your engine from becoming a very expensive paperweight. In summer, it's working overtime. You'll want to check for leaks in hoses, make sure the radiator cap seals properly, and ensure your coolant is clean and at the proper level. If it's been more than 2 years since your last coolant flush, it's a good idea to get that done before hitting the road. Item number 5. Brake system. Brakes are never something to gamble with. If you hear grinding or squealing, feel vibrations, or notice your car pulling to one side when braking. Address it immediately. Have a professional check your brake pads, rotors, and fluid before a long journey. Summer road trips often include mountainous terrain or sudden stops in heavy traffic, putting extra strain on your braking system. Item number 6. Air conditioning. You know, this might seem like just a comfort issue, but a functioning AC system is actually crucial for summer travel. Not just for your comfort, but for your safety too. So check your AC before the hottest days hit. If it's not blowing cold, it could be something simple like low refrigerant, or maybe something a bit more complex. Driving in extreme heat without AC can lead to driver fatigue and decreased alertness, which is a big safety concern. Last but definitely not least, your engine air filter and cabin air filter. Both play really crucial roles in summer driving. The engine air filter helps your car breathe, which affects performance and fuel economy, and that's especially important on those long drives. The cabin filter keeps dust, pollen, and pollutants from getting into your vehicle. If they're dirty, replace both. They're usually inexpensive and often simple enough to change yourself. There you have it, your essential summer car care checklist. Taking just an hour to check these 7 items could honestly save you days of vacation time and hundreds in emergency repair costs. Remember, prevention is always cheaper than repair. And hey, if you're not comfortable performing any of these checks yourself, it's a good idea to schedule a pre-trip inspection with your trusted mechanic. They can spot potential issues before they turn into roadside emergencies. So, hit that subscribe button if you found this helpful, and drop a comment with your summer road trip destinations. Until next time, keep those engines running smooth.